Today is our anniversary. I will make him a surprise.
The kitchen smells so good today. I want this dinner to be special.
I cooked all his favorite dishes. I hope he likes them.
This cake is simple, but it's made with love. Everything looks ready now. It feels so warm.
I'm really hungry, but I can wait. Me too. Dad will be home soon. It's getting dark outside. Yeah, it's getting late. The clock sounds so loud tonight. It makes me nervous.
He should be home by now. Maybe there's a lot of traffic.
It's really late. Dad never comes home this late.
I'm finally home. What a long day. Wow, the table looks amazing. Is today special?
You don't remember? You really forgot.
I'm tired. I need some space.
I want to be alone. Don't bother me.
Dad, today is your anniversary. You really forgot.
Oh my goodness, I completely forgot. I'm so sorry, kids.
Look at this photo. It's Mom and you.
Oh no, I messed up. I need to say sorry. Right now.
Oh, shoot. I'm so clumsy.
What a mess. Dad is really clumsy. Let's help Dad clean it up.
Maybe I should get some sleep. I will fix it tomorrow. I don't have to go to work today. I will find a way to apologize her.
I need to fix this. I'll make breakfast.
Oh no, it's burnt! I forgot the timer.
Why is there so much smoke? This is bad.
What happened here? Open the window, let the smoke goes away. My favorite dress, it's ruined.
I'm so sorry, I didn't mean to. I don't know what to do. I feel terrible.
Dad really needs help.
We have to help him.
This heart looks weird, but it's honest. Dad, put it by the door, then hide.
What's this? A card? Come here, I saw you.
Oh no, she saw me.
Fail. Plan 2. A romantic dinner. nice. Very romantic.
Careful, careful, don't drop it.
Oops, I'm sorry.
Oh no. Not again. Fail.
Plan 3. Old memories. This is powerful. Memories matter.
We were so young and so happy. I will say sorry to her directly. Hope she will forgive me.
Whoa! Who puts it here?
What is going on? Why is it so noisy?
It's me. I dropped the old album. I'm really clumsy, but I always try my best to make you happy.
This is the happiest day of my life. The day I became your husband. I'm really sorry. I forgot our anniversary.
You are so silly. I forgive you. Please remember our anniversary from now.
Thank you. What a relief.
We made it. We did a great job. We had many brilliant ideas.
Thank you, my partners. I cannot do it without you.
Look at them. So sweet.
Mission complete. Success!
Eat up, kid. Don't let the food cold.
Thank you for helping me.
Anytime, dear. I'll never forget again.
I believe you. Sorry, I was strict to you, but you were very busy.
No. It's all my fault.
This is my gift. Happy anniversary, my dear.
Take this. Happy anniversary.
Whoa, I love it. Thank you.
Teamwork. Family power. Family power.